Hello, how do you do? So, this is the time almost everyone in the world is afraid of some unknown kind of fear, and that is known very much to us. That is COVID 19, the coronavirus. In my previous videos, I have given informations regarding the COVID 19, the coronavirus. Though it was in Hindi, you may get a translation over there. So this video is about how to improve your immunity. So let's talk how we can increase our immunity in this era of infections. Because previously there was SARS, then the MERS, now this is COVID-19. And it's looking like due to the modernization and the changes of our habits, such kinds of threats will come and may come in future also. So what can we do to protect ourselves from such kind of threats? The answer is very simple. We have to increase our own immune response against such kind of viral or bacterial or other infections. Now the question is, how can we increase the immunity? 4-5 factors are there. One is exercise, the second one is diet, the third one is our lifestyle, the fourth one, how we are tackling the issues. Let's first discuss about the fitness. In India, we are doing the pranayams. We are chanting Om. Why we are chanting Om and why Om is considered as an important word in India? Listen, when you are not moving your tongue, only 3 kind of pronunciations you can produce. One is Ah, the second one is O, and the Om. Or we can plan it like So this is a universal sound. This is a natural sound of our universe, the Aum. So Aum is everywhere. It is in universe, it is in me, it is in you, it is in us. So that's the most natural sound can be produced worldwide. So start chanting Om. Take a deep breath. Stop it for some seconds as per your limit, and after you're releasing your breath, just pronounce Om like this. Listen, while you are taking breath to the fullest, you're filling air in your lungs. You're using the full capacity of your lungs. When you are using the capacity of lungs, you're making its walls stronger. As you are using every alveoli of the lung, it means you are using every part of your lungs. The one thing is very clear, the organs which we use on a regular basis, they work for a longer time. The organs which we don't use are of no use to us, and with evolution they used to obsolete. Like the third molar tooth, like the appendix, the human races are not using nowadays. So they are almost obsolete from our body. So the other things are also there, like the tail, we are not having tail. The monkeys and the others are having tails, we are not using our tails. The humans don't have any use of the tail. So our bones at the tail area are fused, but they are of no use to us. So make use of your body every day on a regular basis. The persons who are writing from the right hand, they're using their right hand. Their left hand is not as stronger as their right hand is. So the organ which we are using, that is hands fruit, they are stronger and they work for us on a longer time. So we have to make use of our lungs also, the nose, the respiratory system to make it stronger. The second thing is about diet. Definitely we should go vegetarian. The vegetarian diet, though some people say it lacks in some nutrients, but one thing is for sure, whether it is lacking in nutrients or not, but doesn't harm anybody in any sense. And every nutrient which is required to human body, that is contained in the vegetarian diet. If you're talking about fats or vitamins or the minerals or the proteins, it has everything. Our ancestors in India, they used to be vegetarians only. Nowadays also, the majority of population is vegetarian in India. And that's why immunity wise we guys are much stronger considered. The third one is our lifestyle, how we are living our lives. In today's era, for last 50 years, 100 years in some Western countries, the luxury has become a major status symbol. People are getting away from their natural resources, from the villages, from the earth, from the water, from the soil. They are being comparted in AC rooms, in luxury apartments, in hotels. We have forgotten how to take the fibrous food, the natural food. We have moved more forward the luxury food, the more refined food, and thus our body is not so strong nowadays. It is habitual to take the soft diet, the refined diet, and we have on ourselves put our body on a very comfort zone. So when a small kind of insult occurs and our body just trembles, what is happening today? It is the same thing. So guys, don't forget what our ancestors were doing, what our body is meant for, and how to take care of our own body, our own organs. And that is the main thing I want to share with all of you nowadays. The technology is not a bad thing. Technology is definitely a good thing. It is important for human race. But to forget our basics, the needs of our body, the structure of our body, and how it functions, and what are the basic necessities, it is also not good. So consider it. The fourth one thing is lifestyle. The lifestyle covers all aspects, the exercise, how we are dealing on day-to-day life, what we are eating, and how we are doing other things also. So be comfortable and try to expose your body to each and every insult. Don't put yourself in AC in just what we could say in a merely raised temperature, and just take care of the nature. Nature will take care of you. If you are not producing too much greenhouse, the earth won't be too hot and we won't need any air conditioning in future also. So plant trees, take care of animals, take care of trees, and live and let live. Thank you very much.